Hello everyone! So this is a really exciting video. This is for all of my luxury lovers out there, my handbag lovers, my OG audience. Today, I'm doing a Chanel unboxing. A lot of you are requesting more of this kind of content. A lot of other people hate this kind of content, so it's all about balance. I don't know. I really only buy a bag, an expensive one, when I really like it. So here we are today. It's in this box, so it'll be a legit unboxing. I have no idea what it looks like. I know what it looks like, but will I actually like it in person? I don't know. It is pre-loved though, and I feel like, here it is. It came with the box. I mean, it's just like really good condition. I just feel like long-term, this is like a really good deal, but it's also just so beautiful. It's a bag. I don't have the color of it. It's just, okay, it doesn't even matter. I should just get started. I feel like once I get going and like I undo the ribbon, it's like there's no going back. Like, is that intro good? I don't know. I hope it is. Well, can't go back now. Okay, here we are. I'm just gonna open it and you're gonna see. And I have a lot to say, assuming I like the bag. So I kind of see it. It is a Chanel Jumbo. Okay, no, it's the felt. Okay, so it's a Chanel Jumbo single flap caviar leather silver hardware. Okay, good, let's get that out. So, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Okay, so this is exactly the color that I was hoping for. And let me just tell you why. Let me just inspect it here. Very nice, looks excellent condition here. Okay, I like it. I like it. So let me just say a couple things about this. I was petrified this is going to be like a true red color. And you probably don't remember, but like years ago, like I've splurged on like red bags, like the pop of color. Not really for me. I love burgundy. Like this is to me like such a beautiful Chanel color. I'm gonna pull over my black Chanel Jumbo that I already have. It's a double flap, but the interior is burgundy, and that's like very classic to Chanel. And so when I see this color, I just think it's so stunning, and also just kind of like a neutral, but like totally not a neutral, you know? And anyway, so it is caviar leather. I'm not against, lambskin. I do have a couple bags that are lambskin, but caviar really is just my preference. Also, this is a single flap jumbo, and I know like everyone has their own opinion. I have my, I don't even know what the heck I prefer. Let me just get my black Jumbo double flap just so you can kind of see the difference. Okay, so here is my black caviar gold hardware double flap jumbo. It's a mouthful, and you can definitely tell the leather feels a little bit different. Like this is a little bit more matte and rough, and this is still caviar, but still like just kind of more smooth. But this is so much more lightweight, like so much more lightweight. And it's because if you notice this bag, which I do have it stuffed, but here's the double flap. So this adds so much weight to it. Also, it's harder to get in and out of the bag, but I do like it because over time, the shape of this bag will probably last longer, but it is kind of a little bit more cumbersome to get in and out, and it's just really kind of heavy on the shoulder. But nevertheless, I love this bag. It's one of my, just probably my all-time favorite. I love how it's, gold hardware too, and this is silver. So this is just a completely different vibe. I believe in 2011 is when Chanel stopped making the single flap. But I can just already tell it feels so much lighter. It's just so much easier to get in and out of the bag. All right, so I'll do some modeling shots for you here now. The chain is so pretty, and I love the way it feels. It's not too squeaky. I feel like this one, yeah, it's like way more of a squeaky chain. This one feels really nice, and I just personally love the jumbo size. A lot of people love the medium Chanel flap size, and I don't have one. The price point on that is like so expensive too. You just can't fit as much in there, whereas this just to me is just what makes my heart happy. So anyway, that is what I went for. And as far as just it being like a good investment, this is pre-loved. And I'm gonna tell you the price point. I feel like everyone wants to know that, and then when they hear it, they get like upset, and it's just like, I'm just gonna tell you, I'm gonna be honest, brand new, a Chanel Jumbo bag. I believe with the price increases, don't quote me on this, and if you watch this months later or years from now, it's gonna be totally different, but right now, in 2021, I believe a brand new Chanel Jumbo bag is $8,500 US dollars, which is insane. And I paid, I think, $4,000 for this one, so it's doubled in price in only a couple years. So this I paid $5,000, $5,000, which again, I know, I know. Crazy, ridiculous. So many of you are watching right now, rolling your eyes. You think it's insane. You know, everyone has their thing. Some people spend thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars to go to Italy or like a Greece trip. I would like to do that too. But this is just my little thing where sometimes I splurge. And honestly, I feel like long term, the bag, like this bag will increase in price every single year. And I realize this is a little bit older. It is a single flap, but that's the thing. They're no longer making these anymore. I think it's a beautiful color, but I think if I keep this in good condition, long term, I think it is a good investment. Even if I don't even make my money back and I go to resell it and I just get the same amount back, I still think over time that this will go up way in value. So anyway, that's just my thought process. So basically I have like a little Chanel jumbo family collection thing going on. I think these are like the best colors. So this one is also a single flap. This is in the lambskin leather though, but it's very vintage, like the jumbo CCs. It's stunning. I love this color so much and I love this bag so much. Just all of this, I just feel like this is a good, well-rounded collection with the colors and the hardware and the leathers and everything. So that concludes my quick little Chanel unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it and consider giving this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and maybe subscribing if you're new. But otherwise, I'll see you very soon. Bye.